Welcome to Vineyard Wine Cellars' first off-premises climate-controlled wine storage facility. So we're very excited to be opening our first storage location here in Houston. It's co-located with our showroom here at the Design Center. So here we're offering a couple of different options for our clients who either have overflow that they need to be able to store off-premises, or need a temporary place to stage their collection while they may be building out a custom cellar at home. So we have small lockers that'll hold anywhere from 6 to 7 cases, larger lockers for 14 to 15 cases, and then also some larger walk-in rooms. So if your collection number's in the thousands, then we have space for you as well. The facility is about 2,000 square feet. We have primary and secondary Wine Guardian refrigeration systems cooling the space, and then we also have a generator for backup. Access is digitally controlled, so our clients will have 24/7, 365 access to their wine collection. And we have security cameras in place here as well to make sure that everybody's collection stays safe.